Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how you can fix your headphones not being detected on Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin! So, first you want to simply make sure on why exactly are your headphones not connecting. For example, I have my headphones here, and I want to connect them, but they're not connecting. Why? Well, the answer is pretty easy. I just don't have Bluetooth enabled. Now I enable the Bluetooth and it should be connected. And yeah, they will connect only because I have paired them. So if you don't know how to pair a device, you want to simply look up tutorial on how to do it. But there is a very high chance that you've already done that and you're not that stupid and you know what you're doing, just like I am. So how exactly can we simply check what's exactly wrong? Well, this is a very nice way for you to learn about diagnostics, because we have a nice connection. We have our headphones and we have our phone, and two things can only be at fault: headphones or phone. And how can we possibly check that? Well, only with other phone and other headphones. For example, let's remove the phone from equation and let's simply check if the headphones are the one at fault. In order to do that, you probably want to take some other device, like this very old, very rusty, very bad phone I have, and simply try to connect these headphones that you have issues with to the other phone. Of course, you don't have to buy other phone, you can borrow it from your family, from your friends, from whoever. If headphones are connecting, then this means that headphones are perfectly fine. However, this could then point out that the phone itself isn't fine. So what you want to do then? Well, you want to take other other Bluetooth device to this phone. For example, I have these Sony headphones here, and I could try to connect them into the phone itself. And if they fail to connect, then there is a very high chance that something is wrong with our device itself. If they don't fail to connect, and if you can't really connect your headphones to the other friend's phone or family's phone or whatever, then this would point out that the problem is lying here in the plain sight of your headphones. But okay, that's a lot of theory, and let's actually do something. What if your phone is at fault? Well, as I said at the beginning of the video, you want to make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled and that you are paired to your device. I will simply unpair it now, so I can just show you. So I have my Earphone Air Pro 4, random earbuds I just found, and let's simply disconnect them. We can click the arrow icon, we can just unpair them, and then we can put them into pairing mode. Usually, I know that every single device is different, but most of the time you want to find the power button. For me, it's this one, and you want to press and hold it for a couple of moments until the headphones or earbuds or whatever will begin flashing their LEDs pretty rapidly. So not yet. Exactly. Now. So we want now to click Earphone Air Pro, and as you can see we are pairing with that device, and in any moment now we should see a pairing request. Just like that. So let's hit pair, and what I just did here is a very simple reboot. Literally, I just rebooted the headphones. I just disconnected them and connected them again. And trust me, this can fix a lot of issues, surprisingly. If you have troubles with your headphones disconnecting randomly, just unpair them and pair them again. If you have any other issue, once again, unpair and pair it again. And to be honest, that could be it, but there is also a lot more things to do. For example, I did make this assumption that you have Bluetooth headphones. But what if you don't have Bluetooth headphones, you have jack or wired headphones? Well, then you probably want to investigate into the jack port itself, which is right here. I think so. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a jack port, because I don't see it anywhere else. So basically, you want to look at the jack, or even check if the phone has the jack, because not every phone has jack nowadays. And you want to simply make sure that it's not dirty, that there's nothing inside, because jack ports usually have some dust or debris or all of that, and you want to clean it up. How can you clean it up? Well, usually you can clean it up with some sort of non-metallic tool. Do not ever use anything like needle or anything metallic, because there is a very high chance that you will damage the speaker or the port or whatever further, instead you want to use, for example, a toothpick or a soft brush, but still I would advise you to be very careful with how much pressure you actually put on this, because trust me, the ports are very, very fragile and it's very easy to break them down. And to be honest, that's almost all for the video. As last resort option, you can just reboot your whole device, and you can do that by pressing and holding your power button and going into reboot twice. Now I know that once again it may seem kind of silly, but the same thing happens basically with unpairing and pairing your Bluetooth device. If it's not working, just reboot it and maybe it will start working again. So let's run over one more time. First, diagnostic tests. What is wrong? Your phone or the headphones themselves? Second, after you have really said and located the issue, you want to solve it. You can solve it by looking up specific issue with the internet, okay, or by rebooting the phone or the headphones or everything else. There is plenty of things you can do to help yourself within the situation. And also, as a last thing I want to say, if the headphones are at fault, there is a pretty big chance that they just broke, they've be damaged, they not working again, and if you have some warranty, I would really suggest you using it now. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.